Lingportal Online School presents
Past Simple Test. Did you know that many English learners still make mistakes with the past simple, even in everyday conversations? Think you've got it mastered? Let's put your skills to the test. I didn't watch any films last night. She went to the supermarket yesterday. Were you at home last night? They were watching TV when I arrived. Did your friend call you yesterday? Was she happy with the test results? Where did you go last summer? They finished the project before the deadline. We didn't go to the park because it rained. I missed the bus, so I was late. Where did you put your keys this morning? I didn't think the movie was interesting, but now I do. How did you do? If you got them all right, you're on your way to mastering the past simple. If not, don't worry. Every mistake is a step towards improvement. Keep practicing, and soon using the past tense will feel as natural as speaking in the present.